In the previous video I showed you how to make a free energy generator from the extension cord and the lighter. My extension plug is rated 2300 watts. I am using the piezo from the lighter to establish the energy circulation again. Now the energy circulation is established. Now let's test it. The light bulb, the night light, the charger, and all together. And now I am hooking the 2000 watts heater to this. I'm connecting it. And let's turn it on. The fan only. 1000 watts and 2000 watts. Let's add the light bulb. And the 500 watts drill. Oh no, too much power. Let's try another experiment. You can see when I open the circle, it stops working. The switch also opens the circle.